Hi, I'm Jeremy Shaw with Intralox, and we're here at IBIE 2025. We're showcasing here our AIM Glide units, a solution that is designed to eliminate a lot of the inherent challenges of traditional slat switch technology. The belt is an all-modular plastic design that has the slats built into it. So what this does is it reduces unscheduled downtime, provides a highly cleanable solution, and really eliminates the need for guarding due to the safety challenges of the older switch technology. We also have designed it with power-tight transfers in here, so you can see one at the in-feed there, and we've got two at the outfeed there. And what this allows is for customers to really pinpoint accurate product placement on there, eliminate a lot of product skewing, and provide a much better transfer than a traditional slat switch technology. You can see here that we designed this to make it very highly cleanable. So when you want to clean this and replace it, you simply pull this out as toolless assembly and disassembly there. And you can either just replace it with a new belt while you take this off to clean it, or clean it and be back up and running in a matter of a few minutes. So this is it for our AIM Glide unit. If you'd like more information, please visit the Intralox website at www.intralox.com, and we'd be happy to talk to you more about any questions you may have.